Hi guys, welcome to Tactim channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to remove Google account from your computer. So let's go to the Google Gmail first. Then you have to click on this profile icon, which is top right corner. This one. Click on this profile icon. Then go to manage your Google account. Now you have to click on security option. The fourth option, security. Click on this and scroll down till you find your devices. Choose your devices, and if you want to sign out or delete the Gmail account, or if you want to remove Gmail account, you have to click on this, and then you'll find here, sorry, you have to click on this one, and if you have to find here sign out. If you click on sign out, your Gmail will be removed from this account. Okay, this is the same. Click on this and click on sign out. So this is how you can remove a Gmail account from Google, or Google account from Gmail. So if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.